So how are you everyone? Today we are going to unbox latest new Boat Rockers 335. Let's unbox it. I have it has arrived now only, and here's the packaging. You can look, and here is the bill. Let's keep aside all the things. I will tell you how much price it has been offered to me. It's something 1199. As you can all see, it was original price was 39990, but you can get it for 1599 easily. Let's open the box and see what's inside. Here the some things are there. Advantages of Bluetooth 5.0 chipset, smooth integrated controls, Type-C charging, single press voice assistance, IPX5 rating is there, low power consumption, metallic earbuds, up to 30 hours of playback time. And something here also, the new thing is magnetic smart buds. It's the new thing on this. And the Qualcomm aptX HD and Qualcomm aptX noise cancellation CVC is also there. Be locked and loaded. अच्छी पैकेजिंग मिल जाती है हमें बोट की तरफ से. And here are some documentations and 2 extra earbuds with warranty card and all things. Nice packaging is done by Boat. I mean to say. Here also, some user manual is there. Be locked and loaded from the Boat. Let's keep this side. And the IPL chips so much big. Let's keep those also aside. There are 2 earbuds and 1 warranty card. Oh, sticker is also there. The Boat head. Boat head. So let's keep this all aside and move to our main thing, which is this Boat Rockers 335 with magnetic controls. Let's take it out. Nice packaging is given by Boat. And here are some controls: volume plus, volume minus, multifunction button, and the alloy with the silicone neck band. And here the main function is the magnetic controls. I would like to show it to you. Like if I am going to open it like this, if I am turning on the Bluetooth and I am opening it like this, it will automatically get connected and will show connected. I am going to show you right now. So here it is now going to connect. Now here it is connected with 100% battery. Nice. I am using it for 1 or 2 hours, but it's now 100% only has arrived to me, and the battery backup is very nice. At this price segment I got it for 1200, so it's very much nice. So it's the smart integrated controls are there. You can power off and on with this chipset. You are going to get it's automatically get disconnected, and if I go to separate this, it will automatically get connected. And the thing it is telling, I don't know what it will loosen or not, but I am going to show you what it's telling. First disconnect it. We are going to disconnect it, and we are going to see it connected. I don't know you are getting it audible or not, but this is true. The color is also good, and the price segment I have got is also very much nice. First of all, I would like to take the material, very much nice, and the quality is also appreciable. We can connect it easily and use it where we want. It goes on, and you can check the audio quality, how it's. I can do nothing but building things I can do. I don't know it's audible to you or not, but it's very much good. The bass is also of extra quality. You're getting the very punchy bass. So I think it's enough, and we should conclude. The best thing I like about this, the magnetic earbuds, is automatically gets connected and disconnected while touching the mobile phone. And this is the new thing which we have got this here, and I'm going to show you the documentation also. Like magnetic smart buds, separate to power on and unite to power off. So this is the best part of this I have got ever. So you can purchase this from the Amazon boat, but I have ordered it from boat, and I am getting it their delivery very soon. I am from Kolba, Chhattisgarh. Okay, so thank you for all of you watching and listening to our channel.